Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hello. Today, inshallah, we'll study chapter 2, ACT, Panda, um, exponent and radicals. By the way, exponent and radicals also fraction with power negative. We look like exponent in negative, so it's a fraction. We'll explain chapter exercise. If anyone needs this copy from book, PDF copy, please connect us on Telegram group or just post an email to us. We will forward the copy of this book. First question today about equivalent. We'll try do it as possible as less than 1 minute. Okay. So first of all, I will solve it in less than 1 minute. Then I'll try to explain more. And any question not clear, please tell me to re-submit it or re-upload it after recorded in different method. What is the equivalent for product of both? So first of all is positive. Wrong, wrong, wrong. So check what is the difference here. The difference is B. Then just make a product of P power 1 and P power 3. The answer should be P power 4. This is the fastest method. Number E. First question is number E. Okay. It's so easy to make it product directly -3 by us, but this method is take so long. The problem only take less than 1 minute. You know, 60 question again, confirm 60 question in 60 minutes. This is the math test in ACT. Which of the following number 2, which of the following expression is equivalent to this one? We have 5 options here. So first option eliminated and second as well because 2 times 3 is 6. Also in this one we have a power 7. A must be power 8. You see A, we make a add for power. We make a multiply power, the same problem like before. A power 1 times A power 7. We make it A power 8. So less than 1 minute as well because already we need 8 power 8, not power 7. A power 8, A to power 8 is here. E as well. So less than 1 minute. When we multiply the common base, we add the power. And take a common base as one base and make 1 plus. Make a double check if you have a time. We finish the example. We finish the problem. P, make a 2 plus 3. Yes, right. So easy if you just notice the difference between each other option. Okay, if we just cite the right answer from one, yes, we notice about power A, and number 6 is the coefficient 2 by 3, and power A is power 1 plus power 7, power 8, A power 8. So number E as well. Number 3, so easy problem here in this part, exponent radicals for non-zero values. So should be power of power is times. So make times here, times -12. We mentioned about power negative is look like fraction, but same power. Number 8, I hope it is and clear. Less than 1 minute as well. Number 4, in a given month, 2015, the population of state of Texas was estimated to be 26,962,481. Which of the following values is closest to these estimates? So we need to rewrite it in standard form and approximation or approximated value. So we see put 2 point, it's standard form. So first of all, we have to put decimal here and move it till here. So should be look like this as approximately value. I will not try the other digits. So by 10 power 7, because we move to left 7 places. So approximate this one because I needed 2 points. So from option, okay, option tell me 2 points, 2.7 by 10 power 7. It's very clear. The answer is A. Number 4 answer, sorry, number 4 answer is C, not A. A power 6, this is power 7. It's very clear here, okay? Number 5, which of the following is equivalent? By the way, without using calculator, can do it. Till now, we not use a calculator in any problem. Okay, calculator is allowed all the time of the exam, but many questions no need calculator at all. Here, check here, please. Power is time, so this should be 6 times 32. Never ever be here, or never ever add. Also, this is even number, make the negative sign positive. So should be P to power 6 power 32 is positive here. This negative. The answer is must be here. If you check it well without calculator, 6 times 32 is 192. Answer is E, number 5, without using calculator, less than 1 minute. Number 6. For all real values, very easy. When we make a times for common bases or base, one base is common here. So all bases are the same. Just make plus 4 time repeated. So 4 by 4 here. So x power 16. Answer is A. Very easy, less than 1 minute. Okay. Number 7. Which of the following is factored from this one? Least common factor. So first of all, we take 6 common factor. So 12 out, elimination. X power 3, x power 2 should take x power 2 as a common factor. Eliminate from here, and this become only 1x. So also take x, y power 2. It's very clear now. We will not complete it because already number B is the right answer. You see, if we try to complete, that's all. A problem is finished. Problem is finished. Okay, now we just make explanation about how come. Okay, divided by 6 power x. This is the concept of common factor. Divide by 6, x power 2. So here we should be x. Eliminate x minus 3 is x1. Eliminate x's. 3 minus 2. When we make a division, we make a subtract. So 100% is B. Double check. Don't make like this in the exam. Please try to follow my instruction about finish the problem in 1 minute or less. Okay. For which of the following values of P will be? Will be look like this. You need it. This value is bigger than 1. If this is negative, this is B, B must be even, first of all. And even, it is even number, should be in negative even. Why? Because in negative, any value negative, say negative 2, we have to make a reciprocal and put square like this. So for this problem, start, if you have this concept now, start solution in less than 1 minute. Check, try the answers, the option. We need B is a negative we mentioned, not 0, not 1. Which one make it after put a negative reciprocal more than 1? Must be even. This is odd, cannot take odd because it's still a negative. If take negative 1, still negative make it less than 1. He wanted greater than 1. So the answer must be 2. Okay? From our concept before. More explanation here for you to make it understand it very well. Negative 2. So the answer should be look like this. Negative is eliminated because it's even number. Or in another way, make a reciprocal first. So 2 power over 1 is still negative, but this is 2 reciprocal because the negative sign. So positive because it's even number. So should be 4 over 1 square means 4 for more than 1. Okay. So answer is A. Number 9. Very, very easy one as well, and less than 1 minute. Here, before we start to solve it, about the concept. What's the concept of root 2? Root A, root B, root any variable here. Means power to power fraction. This index is 2. We can't write it. Standard form, we write more than 2. So root or radical 2, radical square 2 is look like 2 to power half. So power half you have m. Okay. So power of power is times. Is it clear? Start solve. If you have this concept, start solve directly. M, this is power half. M times half like this. M times half. So 2 to power m over 2. Mix base is 2 as well. So 2 here power 3 all power n. So we have power of power as well time. So 3 to power 2 to power 3n. This should be 3n. Make equivalent here. Base equal to base. So power equal to power. What does he want? M over 2 equals 3 over n. Very, very easy concept here. You need m in numerator. So we have to make m divided by n both sides. So this is time come here in transitive operation in denominator. 2 become times 2 as well for both sides. So here is the denominator become numerator here. So we have 6, 2 by 3 is 6. M over n is 6. Answer is E. I hope it's clear. I hope it is clear now. Number E. If anyone needed to repeat it a different way, please tell us in a comment. Which of the following, number 10, which of the following is the simplest form? Okay, this is first problem using calculator. Don't waste your time at all in ACT exam. Okay, just write on the calculator root 25 minus root 12. That's all. Just choose 3 root 3, answer B. Okay, less than 1 minute. Okay, if no calculator is available, I have to explain it, please. Root, this one, we look like how 3 times how many? 3 times 25. Or we looking for square number 25 or 16 times what? 25 times 3. So first one is 5 root 3. Sorry, we get out 25, 5 root 3. Number 2, 4. This is square number times 3. So we have 4 root 3. This is look like root 3 here. Wrong, wrong, wrong. One of both. So we have 5 minus 2 is 3. Just like variables. Okay. This is very, very easy with calculator, less than 1 minute. In case you don't have a calculator, I explain it here. Number 11. It's very easy as well. For non-zero A, B, and C, okay, we have expression. Which one equivalent? So for this, here we have 4. So 4 must be denominator in all denominator. Take care. Be very fast with choose a very, very good tactic or strategy. So strategy here, check the difference. I will rewrite here. Don't waste your time and don't write like me. I just write it for explanation. In the exam, make it very, very fast. First of all, check A. Up is 6, down is 3. If we have a fraction look like divided by, we make a difference or make subtraction. If we have common base divided, make subtract 2 the power. So A must be power 3 and write it up. So power 3 up here and here. So wrong. Cannot be like this because A power 10, A power 13. So we have one of these. Also, the difference between third are what? B cube are the same. The different one is C. You see C? So C is and B not B power 1, B power C not clear at all, not acceptable. So this is out as well. So we have A or B. So for B, we have 7 minus 3 and write it down here. So A power 3, B power 3 down. We have 4. So both are the same. C is C power 2, 3 minus 1, and write the result up to the bigger one. Bigger one is 3 is down. We write it down like 2, like 3. So answer is A. 11 is A. Again, I will do it in less than 1 minute now, okay? I will do it with less than 1 minute. It's 4, power 6, power 3. This is power 3 up. My concentration is here. So B3, 3, 3, check. This one must be C power 2 down because 3 minus 1. T power 2 down is here only. So we are in A, less than 1 minute now. I hope my explanation is very clear for number 11. For number 12, which of the following fractions is equal to? Very, very easy one. Don't try to use calculator. I will tell you why now. But first of all, try to take common factor. Common factor is the least power. Why? I will explain it here. 30 minus 1 over 7 power 30 times 7. This is common factor. Take it out. So should be look like this 7 power 30. If we take 7 power 30 from this term, we have 1 over 1 is 1. Take it from here, 1 over 7. So we have here a very clear one. You can make it this with this part with calculator only. Okay, acceptable. Without calculator is faster. We have here, because common 1 is 7 over 7. 7 common denominator. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have again problem by your eyes. Power 1, power 30. So denominator back to be 31. 7 to power 31. Up is 6. So we have which one? We after D or E, only D is the right answer. Hope it clear? Okay. Now we finish it. Try to use the calculator. I think some calculators can do it, but the most of calculators models cannot do it. Say, check it please here. 1 over 70 power 30. Here minus fraction again. Sorry. Fraction again. 1 over 70 to power 31. Cannot, you see? You have to try to check. If we have this case, you have to check all of this problem, which one look like this. Go to number D directly and check D. You will see the same result like the calculator. It takes long time, okay? Very long time, because we have to check A, B, C, and D. And you have to write down the answer first time. So the most fast way, I think. The fastest one is this method, number 12. We finished chapter 2 about the radical and exponent or exponent radicals. See you next time, chapter 3. Again, anyone needs this soft copy, please connect us by email or just leave a comment. I will reply and pass the email. You can connect this channel. We have Telegram group on this channel. Please be member of one of this group. Nice to meet you today. And again, see you in next episode, chapter 3. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.